Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add contact information on YouTube channel. Why would you want to know how to add contact information on YouTube channel? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to add contact information on YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to add contact information on YouTube channel. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding contact information on YouTube channel is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing channel logo in top right corner. Click on it. Now click on your channel. Now click on customize channel. Now click on basic info. Scroll down. Here you are seeing contact info. Enter your email address in the box and then click on publish. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add contact information on YouTube channel, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.